Hello everyone, welcome back in the next video of object-oriented programming series. In this, we will make code more reusable with this keyword. The last challenge introduced a method to the duck object. It used duck.name dot notation to access the value for the name property within the return statement. Here, this is a method which contains a function with a return statement. While this is a valid way to access the object's property, there is a pitfall here. If the variable name changes, any code referencing the original name would need to be updated as well. In a short object definition, it isn't a problem, but if an object has many references to its properties, there is a greater chance for error. A way to avoid these issues is with this keyword. Here we can see how this keyword can be used to access the property. This is a deep topic, and above example is only one way to use it. In the current context, this refers to the object that the method is associated with, duck. If the object's name is changed to Mallard, it is not necessary to find all the references to duck in the code. It makes the code reusable and easier to read. Task for this challenge: modify the dog.sagelegs method to remove any references to the dog. Use the duck example for guidance. In this case, instead of dog, we will be using this keyword here, and let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.